MSW logo. Creating procedures. You have learnt about some basic commands in MSW logo. You have also learned to draw some basic shapes. In this chapter, you will learn about logo procedures. What is a procedure? Procedure is a defined method of doing a task. It involves clearly defining the various steps that help you to complete a task. For example, the procedure to make a call on a cell phone is as shown here. On a cell phone, dial the telephone number using the keypad. Press call button. Wait for the other person to answer the call. Similarly, in MSW logo, you can write a set of commands to create any shape or drawing. You can save it as a procedure for future use by giving it a name. In this way, you do not have to write all the commands or instructions every time you wish to create a particular drawing. You simply type the procedure name and all the commands saved in it are automatically executed. Logo procedure. A logo procedure is a set of instructions given in a proper order to create a drawing or to carry out a calculation collectively saved under a name. By using logo procedure, you can save a set of commands in logo to perform a particular task instead of typing all the instructions again and again. For example, command to make a rectangle is repeat to FD50 RT90 FD30 RT90. You can save this command under the procedure name rectangle, and every time you wish to draw a rectangle in logo, you would simply type procedure name rectangle. Parts of a logo procedure. There are three main parts of a logo procedure: title, body, end. Title. Title is the name that you assign to a procedure. You can start writing a procedure with to command followed by the procedure name. Syntax. To procedure name. Example: to rectangle. Body. After title, you can type body from the next line. This is the main area where you can type all the instructions to draw a figure or to solve a problem. In this example, the body for the title, to rectangle, is repeat to FD50 RT90 FD30 RT90 end. After you have typed all the instructions to draw a figure or solve a problem, finish the procedure by giving end command. Creating a procedure. Now you will see with the help of an example how to write a procedure. To square. Title. Repeat 4 FD50 RT90 Body. End. End. Similarly, the procedure to make a circle is to circle. Title. Repeat 360 FD1 RT1 Body. End. End. Creating a procedure in MSW logo. To command is given before giving the procedure name. After giving all the necessary commands to draw a particular figure, use end command in the last. To create a procedure, follow these steps. Step 1. Click inside the input box. Step 2. Type 2 followed by the procedure name. For example, 2 circle and press Enter key on the keyboard. The 2 mode input box appears. Step 3. Enter the command for circle. Repeat 360, FD1, RT1 and press Enter key. Step 4. 2 mode input box will appear again. Type end and press the Enter key. Step 5. The procedure will be defined. Rules for naming a logo procedure. As explained, you give a name to a set of commands to save it as a procedure. But there are certain rules you must follow while naming a procedure. Else, MSW logo will not identify it as a procedure name. These rules are as given. The first character of a procedure name should always be an alphabet. Name a procedure using alphabets, numbers, or symbols. You cannot use mathematical operators such as plus, minus, multiply, and divide in a procedure name. You cannot use blank spaces in a procedure name. Do not name procedures as logo commands. So, based on the rules given here, you can conclude that to tree, to book 5, to C2 are valid procedure names. To 345, to plus house, to write, to this pen are invalid procedure names. Similarly, to girl or to girl 3 are valid, while to girl 3 and to my toy are invalid procedure names. Executing or running a procedure. Executing a procedure means using a predefined procedure to make a figure or drawing. As described, when you execute a procedure, all the commands that have been defined in it are automatically executed. Step 1. Type the procedure name in the input box. Example, circle. Step 2. Press Enter key on the keyboard. Step 3. You will see a circle appear on the screen. Syntax. Name of the procedure. Press Enter. Editing a procedure. It is also possible to make changes to a defined procedure. This is called editing a procedure. To edit a procedure, you need to open the editor window and make changes in it. These are the steps to edit a procedure. Step 1. Go to the File menu and select Edit option. Edit Procedure window will appear. Step 2. Select Circle and press OK. Editor window will appear. Step 3. Make changes and type or delete commands between two procedure, name, and end command. Step 4. Click on File menu of Editor window and select Exit option. Then, Contents Changed window will appear. Step 5. Click Yes to save the changes. Saving a procedure. When you create a procedure, it can be instantly executed any number of times while you are working on MHW logo, as it has been saved on the workspace. But to save it permanently to computer storage for future use, you must save the procedure as a computer file. Step 1. Go to File menu. Save as option. Step 2. Save as dialog box appears. Give file name in the File Name box. The file name need not necessarily be the same as procedure name. Step 3. Click on Save button. Loading a procedure. Loading a procedure is same as opening a saved file in other programs. When you open a saved procedure, it takes some time as the procedure is being copied from the disk to Logo workspace. That is why it is called loading a procedure. There are the steps to load a procedure. Step 1. Choose File, Load from the File menu on the main MHW logo window. Step 2. Select the appropriate .lgo file from the Windows Open dialog box.